In today's video, I'm going to show you a smarter and easier way to track multiple affiliate links in one place so you can actually see which one is making you money. We'll be using ClickMagick, a powerful tool that helps you monitor clicks, conversions, and exactly where your traffic is coming from. Before we begin, make sure to create your free ClickMagick account. First, log into your dashboard and go to the Link section. Then click on Create New Link. You'll see an option to select a group. This part is optional, but it helps you stay organized if you're managing multiple campaigns. Next, give your link a clear and simple name like YouTube Product A or Facebook Campaign so you can easily identify it later. After that, choose your tracking domain. You can use the default one or set up a custom domain to make your links look more professional. Then add a link slug, which is just the ending part of your link. Keep it short and clean so it's easy to recognize. You can copy your TikTok Shop affiliate product link and drop it into ClickMagick and generate a tracking link. Paste your affiliate link into the primary URL field and click Create Link. And that's it. Your tracking link is ready. But here's the important part. Don't stop at just one link. To properly track performance, create multiple links for different traffic sources. For example, make one link for YouTube traffic, one for Facebook ads, and another for email marketing. This way, you'll clearly see where your clicks are coming from and which source is actually generating results. If one link is getting clicks but no conversions, it means something needs improvement, like your audience targeting or the offer itself. And if one link is performing better than the others, that's your winning source and you should focus on scaling it. Before you go all in, test your affiliate link. Just ask a friend or family member to use your link and make a small purchase. This way, you'll know your tracking is working perfectly. And don't worry, once it's confirmed, they can simply request a refund. Make sure to create your free ClickMagick account using the link in the description so you can follow along step by step. ClickMagick offers a 2-week free trial, so you don't have to spend any money to test it out for up to 2 full weeks. If you decide it's not for you within 2 weeks, you can simply cancel and you won't be charged.